welcome to another single dad recipe. It's been a while. I've been busy. Got a new house, so brand new kitchen. We're gonna be doing some very new recipes, but on this day, on this episode, I'm just gonna do real simple Cajun wings, but I'm gonna use my new Ninja Foodie that I got as a gift. And some marinade. This is for tomorrow. We're gonna marinate some steaks. We'll throw those on the grill outside. So yeah, I'm glad to be back. Glad to be premiering the new house, and we're gonna go from there. All right, let's get to it. And so what you do here, you just hit the start button. All right, there you hit the power, and we're gonna go to air crisp. And 390 is good, so we'll stick with the default, and we'll just hit start. And it's gonna want to preheat, and then we'll be able to put our wings in. Our wings are all thawed out, and I'm just gonna use those four sauces there: onion, Cajun, Lowry's of course, seasoned salt, and garlic powder. That's it. All completely dry rubs onto my wings. Just gonna spray a little bit of olive oil on them. Don't want to put too much. They tend to burn. Olive oil tends to burn faster, and especially in the Ninja Foodie Grill, so you don't really want to put too much. But I'm just gonna spray across, and then we'll add the seasoning. Right, exactly. So I figured, I would try it as a marinator. Right, correct. I have frozen corn in here. Way into the cooking process, we just lift her up, and as you see, they're looking good. But what I like to do halfway through is I flip these. That way we got both sides of it wing cooking. Like that. Last one. Wow, nice and crispy. That boy look good. It's all about the taste though. Let me get. Oh, look at that. That's the way I like it. It's nice and crispy. Okay, so here's the wings. Time for the taste test. Too bad you can't come through the camera. Dad, you're awesome.
Outstanding.
Here we go. First one in the new Cash Dude kitchen. So hopefully it'll be, no, ain't no hopefully, there will be more to come. So thank you for tuning in.